Folks, hello everyone, Priyanka this side, and this time the summer vacations are ending for 2024, and it's time for us to reveal what we have in store for your child that's completely different from the instructional learning imparted in schools. Yes, we have personalized learning paths with real world AI applications. That means no need for citations when your educator knows all your whereabouts. Next, we are equipping our students with future ready skills, that is, error analysis on a very detailed basis. Next, descriptive writing, and what, guess what not, clear pronunciation for all the words so that your child gets to know the clarity of each and every word he reads in the class. Yes, we have enhanced teacher support and technological support also. How do we explain that? Each and every assignment on the daily practice sheet is discussed with the child in person so that he has all his doubts clarified before he moves ahead. So, yes, keep watching for more.